Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
We're here in Alabama with Harley's army buddy, and they have a hobby ranch out here, and so we're gonna show you around here. They have a goat shed out here. That's they grow their own food and do their own goat milk and such. But they have a goat shed out here that's just really cool. So I'm gonna have Harley show you around.
He may have.
So what is it? What kind?
It's a made up one.
A made-up name?
Yeah. One that he likes. We got pregnant once. Can you tell?
Oh wow.
She's due. She
Yeah.
had triplets last time.
Oh really? Hi guys. Oh
Grace.
hello.
Hi, Grace.
Hi.
Judge in there too.
Hi. Hi. I don't have anything for you.
Yeah.
I don't have anything for you.
Camera.
Put a laser grip on it, so it's got a little laser sight.
Here,
Hey.
here. You do the interviewing and such, sir.
And what's your name?
That's Grace.
Look at the little ears.
She's a La Mancha.
A La Mancha. Oh, wow. So do you cut their ears off? Or
No.
Oh, that's the way. Oh, they're born that way. Wow.
Wow.
We're at
These are Sanans. They milk.
my friend Lynn's goat farm.
These are Sanans.
Oh,
And these are Nubians.
oh. Oh, the other ones.
And so
Yeah.
she's pregnant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
It's so funny.
This is Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Don't bite my fingers. Hi.
Look at these guys looking out. Always looking out. What you doing? Hey.
Stand out here.
Okay.
She's gonna go down over there and join the boys down this long walkway you see.
Yeah.
They're gonna come right at us down through here. And then they'll come up around the corner, in here and go into that stall.
No way.
She's trying to.
Here, you
do
wanna-
this.
That's
Yeah,
the
I'm gonna
view
wait for her to get over there. She's gonna go through this other gate, back down there around this building on this side.
Okay.
Anyway, next year I'm gonna till all this up and make a huge garden. over
Oh.
here.
Oh wow.
Lynn, is that you? Oh. I thought you went to go get the boys.
I am.
Oh, down here.
Well, they're down there. Oh.
I forgot. You can
Underneath here?
Oh,
walk
underneath.
it by us.
Oh, you can't see her. She's so little anyways.
It's this alleyway.
You know your chicken
Yeah.
underneath your head chicks, right?
Huh?
You know there's chicks under this
Yeah.
building. Okay.
They come out.
Since the building has fallen out.
Oh, this
You know, see
is.
the guys after the butcher shop.
Yeah.
You take the steers up there and
Yeah.
butcher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They want, you know, you back that trailer
Oh
like
yeah.
that up to
They
the.
got a little
When they
20.
hot stick and when they run them up in there to kill things, she's going, you guys put those
Yeah,
things
wait,
away, and she
wait.
walk all the way up there and goes, come on, and they come right.
No way. Oh wow. How beautiful is this? Oh.
The steer got out last week over at Hatton School about midnight, and we got called. We went over there, and 3 guys, cowboys over there trying to round him up. We couldn't get him. She pulled up in her truck.
Yeah.
Shook the bucket, called her name.
There they go.
ran right to her.
Oh man, that's so cool.
I'm a Pied Piper.
Yeah.
can't you see?
So is
Here they come.
Look at the one's ears flopping.
Yeah. Oh, strangers. Strangers are here.
Look at those ears.
Hey, girls.
Boy,
Oh,
those are
boys.
Yeah.
Oh, you scared them.
Hello,
You shouldn't
boys.
have said anything.
Sorry, she got 'em.
Love the ears on the one with the light colored and
Yeah, just stand right there and look down the hallway. She come up, go right in there, and she left it open.
stand next so they can't see you. Shut the gate.
Close the door.
They know exactly where to go.
Is that cool?
That is
And her
so
freaking cows are down there the
cool.
same way.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
So you let them out every morning and put them out every night?
I do.
Hello, boys.
There's Blackwood.
Yeah?
Named after something in Minecraft. That my
I have no idea.
I didn't either.
I have
don't either.
no.
Brown and one's kind of a gray color. They're just goofy looking. Never heard of this before. It's kind of cool.
We just moved the cows out of this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you see the landmines everywhere.
Yeah.
I just took the cows out. We had turkeys and chickens, and we took them and processed them.
Oh, yeah.
So now we have no turkey left, but I bought
Ah.
little babies.
Oh.
What of them had, Dave? So look at them. We had chickens. We had 13 chickens. 3 of them ended up being roosters, so I went and got some more hens and got rid of the roosters. And
This was a dog kennel, and I
converted it to a chicken.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at the little chicks. Look at them all. Hey, guys. Look at
Oh,
that.
wow.
So that's how we're here for them to have a life.
Uh-huh.
And they stayed here. We're gonna start them here. They're meat
Aren't
birds.
they cute? What kind are they?
Meat,
Oh,
freedom ranges.
we have kids.
Well, they usually coop in there, and then they've got a hole in there so they can go.
Oh, okay. You don't have any coyote problems or anything here? Or?
Not yet.
Oh.
Not yet. Well, it's all
We have
fenced
not
in,
lost
kind of. Yeah.
anyone.
Yeah.
Surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how long
Boys,
is your?
They get
Wow.
immunities from mom. Mom has her shot.
Yeah. Oh,
They
okay.
get it from mom's milk. They nurse till they're 6 months old,
Uh-huh.
and then we raise them till they're 2 years old and
Uh-huh.
butcher them.
Oh, wow.
In fact, you just down there. There he is, with the horns.
Oh, yes. Uh-huh.
Second one.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Head down.
Okay.
That's Amos. He
Okay.
goes in spring.
Oh, okay.
That's what a 2-year-old looks like.
Okay. Wow, how
Yeah.
beautiful.
I know.
So how far is your other one away from here? Your home,
5
actually.
minutes.
How far is your
Right,
home?
5 minutes. That's why I wanted.
And all these
So they sell these as, well,
beef.
Yeah. They
Oh, look at all these little trees.
sell them too.
That's good.
Are you lined up right?
Pretty good.
Okay.
This kind of thing's in the way from that camera a little bit.
And done. It went in.
No, it's not locked all the way.
Oh, okay.
Let me pull ahead and get a little straighter on it.
Okay.
It's not locked all the way. You can see that. I got it
Really, really close right there. I know that it won't get it, so. Yeah.
Yeah, it's locked in now.
Okay.
Okay. That thing comes all the way down. This cable. The chalk's out of there.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Going on the road with Harley and Mona.
Just like that.
Just like that.
We're leaving.